Hi, this is Jaden with Adventure Pilot, and today I'm going to be showing you the satellite layer feature. To pull up the satellite layer, you'll click the Map Mode button and then select Satellite. Satellite layer's main purpose is to help give some extra insight to different features on the map that you can't normally see on the VFR sectional chart. I created a flight plan today that we can walk through and look at some of these different features to see what they would look like in comparison to the sectional chart. First off, I've selected a bridge as a waypoint, which we can see down here. On the sectional chart, the bridge is fairly small, and if we go ahead and switch to the satellite mode, we can see here gives us a better idea of what exactly the bridge would look like from the air. Another helpful feature about the satellite mode is if you're looking at some of these smaller airports and private airports, if you zoom in on them, iFly has already a Google Earth image that is downloaded onto your device, but Satellite Layer allows you to see some more of the environment around that airport. So you could find some key features around the airport to help you better identify where it will actually be. If we go over to this city here, Arthur City, we can see we've got a few bridges here on the sectional, and we also have this dam. So if we switch over to the satellite layer, we can see these a lot better as to what they actually look like here. And so, yeah, it's really great for using this to give you some extra situational awareness, especially on these VFR flights. I've also got another waypoint here at this airport. If we go into the satellite layer, we can see the airport exactly, and then we can see all of the city environment here, so we have a better idea of what exactly we're looking for. Now that you've seen the satellite layer, we can talk about some of the limitations and pricing for the future. First off, the satellite layer is fully streamed from the internet, meaning occasionally in flight you might not have internet reception in order to view the satellite layer. There are some lower resolution images that are pre-downloaded onto your device for the satellite layer, but beyond that, it would be fully streamed from the internet. There is also a limit to the amount of high resolution images that you can generate with the satellite layer. And what I mean by high resolution images is when you zoom further in onto the surface, that's going to be generating a higher resolution image than if you're zoomed out further. This limit is indicated in the bottom left of the app by a percentage limit. You start off at 100%, but after thorough usage, you will eventually reach 0%, where your usage of the satellite layer will be limited. For unlimited use of the satellite imagery layer, you can purchase the satellite imagery upgrade from our store, which I have linked below. This upgrade also enables support of downloading the satellite imagery for your entire flight route prior to your flight. That way you can view the satellite layer as you fly. To download this, click the Flight Plan button, then select More Options, and click Preload Satellite Imagery. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to us. Our number is 214-585-0444, or send us an email to support@adventurepilot.com. Thanks.